Hi, in this tutorial, we'll be covering the IntelliTime module. IntelliTime is an optional company-wide module for internal timekeeping and, more importantly, internal costing for labor. All users in your site will have access to the time clock functionality if you purchase the module for a nominal fee. Each user will go to their user profile and enter their unique timekeeping code provided by the admin for your company. They would come up here to the silhouette, go to user profile. I am currently logged in as Andrew Ayler, so I have his picture here, his name, additional information, and you can see right here mid-page, it says time clock code. So this is Andrew's time clock code AFV. It's very important to keep track of these codes so you know who is logging in to the time clock functionality. Once they add their code, they can go ahead and click save and then move on to anywhere else in the software. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open up a recent job. So as I log in the morning as Andrew, I'm going to come up here and I'm going to go to the time clock functionality. I'm going to add in my code, AFE, and I can simply clock in for the day. Later on, I might move on to actively working on job 213719. And we want to track the costs associated for labor for this particular job. Come up here and go to the time clock. Again, put in my code. I'm now going to switch tasks. I'm going to add in the job number. And for this job, I'm actually going to be an A1, and I can pick my labor task. In this case, I'm going to do a site visit. Keep in mind, all labor talent positions and all tasks are all custom to your unique needs. For additional clarification for this particular task, I can add additional information. I'm going maybe to the Hyatt Hotel. We can go ahead and add that in here. Not all tasks need to be associated with a job. They could be something not job related that you're working on. Go ahead and add that. And later on, I'm going to come back and I'm going to perhaps work on a different job. And I can come here and again, go to my time clock, add my code. Again, I'm going to switch tasks. I'm going to add in the job number, 213702. And in this case, I'm perhaps going to be a loader, and I'm going to just help with rehearsal. And click add. At the end of the day, Andrew could come in here, again, go to the time clock and simply clock out. So we've captured a lot of really good information in here for the day, for the week, for the month. We want to come up here, go to the hamburger. We're going to go to reports. We're going to go to general reports, and down here at the bottom, number 17 is our time clock report. On the time clock report, you can search by a particular date range and one or multiple people. In this case, I'm going to back this to the beginning of the year just so we have some additional data in here. And I'll leave it for all my selected users. So I can see here, Andrew has 24 positions that he's been associated with, tasks and talents and perhaps jobs. So I can clearly see here the job number, Hyatt Hotel. It was a site visit as an A1. Again, here, pick up parts from the store. He was a driver, picked up, and that was associated with this job. What's really nice about associate with the job is at this point, we can push that information to actual labor. meaning you are tying true labor costs to your jobs, all to help you, have more profitable job, of course. As an admin within your account, I have a lot of functionality I can do here. I can come in here, I can edit a record. Andrew said, actually, I got delayed and I didn't get done till 9 p.m. I can come in here and make that switch. I can add more information with more time, add the code again, because I've got this open for multiple people here. So I want to add whoever's code I'm adding this information to here. And I can also do what we call a quick add. So I can add an end date. Someone forgot maybe to clock out. Again, add the job, a code, dates and times here. As an admin, I can also go in and delete any record that may have been added incorrectly. So again, lots of really good information here. Thank you very much for joining the IntelliTime tutorial.